Alright, hello everyone, thank you for joining in my channel. So this is the Xenon leveling sensor located at the back of the car, as you can see by the gas tank and exhaust. I haven't managed to see any videos of this this model of the car like Volvo v70 x60. It's actually quite simple, but if you don't have any information it can be quite tricky. So this is the new sensor already placed in. There's the connection for it. Make sure when you buy a new one, take the old one with you and make sure it's the right one. It's 6 pins. The cable goes through and goes in the car. There's a small hinge that's mounted in the sensor. There's the secondary leg that you can buy separately. You can use your old one if the screws are good and everything. And there's a bracket that holds the bottom part in place. Mine was damaged probably by the bad road, so I had to make some fix, like a big old nut, and that's holding quite strongly. There's a small pin that makes sure that it's in the right place. It's quite hard to see, but it's right there. You're gonna see it in your car. Make sure the bracket's not rusty, because then you need to buy the new one as well. Make sure when you tighten all the nuts that they're still freely moving, because this leg needs to move as well as the suspension moves up and down. So how it works, this is fixed in the suspension and this is fixed in a car subframe that holds all the shit together. And this is the small leg that tells the sensor if the suspension is going up or down, and this makes your front xenon lights move up and down. In this particular model, Volvo V70 year 2005, it doesn't have the front one, it's just the bottom one, the rear one. So make sure you follow the guide as I told you. Here you can see the bracket that holds it in place, and that's pretty much it. Don't over tighten and do your best. Thanks, guy.